Bħalissa hemm diversi kumpaniji madwar id-dinja li qed jiżviluppaw vaċċin biex irażnu l-pandemija tal-coronavirus. Waħda minn dawn il-kumpaniji il-kumpanija Moderna li l-vaċċin żviluppat minnha qed juri effettività ta' madwar 95%. U l-fundatur ta' din il-kumpanija hu Derek Rossi, professur Kanadiż ta' nisel Malti ibbażat fl-Istati Uniti li waqqaf Moderna fl-2010. Waqt intervista fuq Net Television, il-professur Rossi spjega li t-teknoloġija żviluppata minnu u mit-tim tiegħu bdiet 12 sena ilu u ftit kien qed jistenna li l-ewwel użu tagħha se jkun propju biex tkun miġġielda pandemija.
We made this sort of discovery as a kind of workaround for the project that we were doing. But then I very quickly realized the huge potential that this technology would have if it were able to sort of make the jump out of our lab benches and into therapeutic development. And here we are now, 12 years later, and it looks to be coming to pass. Mind you, I never would have guessed that pandemic would have been the first application, but quite frankly, it's a very good application for the technology.
Mistoqsi dwar meta se jibda tilqim tal-popolazzjoni, il-professur Rossi wieġeb li Moderna se tapplika l-awtorizzazzjoni ta' emerġenza ma' l-FDA, ir-regolatur fl-Istati Uniti, sa' ġimagħtejn oħra. Iżda biex il-vaċċin jibda jitqassam madwar id-dinja u biċċa xogħol jibsa li mistennija tieħu diversi ġimgħat.
It'll be a while. I would imagine that, at least here in the US, and I'm not sure about Malta and the EU, but in the US, probably the average person will be able to get vaccinated, come late spring. I think that, global deployment will be pretty much the occupation of all of next year. 2021 coming, not just from Moderna and Pfizer and BioNTech, but AstraZeneca and even companies after that bring vaccines to market because, the planet is large and the logistics of getting so many people vaccinated is massive.
U qed jistenna li l-ħaddiema fl-isptarijiet u foqsma tas-saħħa u persuni meqjusa vulnerabbli se jibdew jitlaqmu lejn l-aħħar ta' din is-sena. Bit-tilqim tal-bqija tal-popolazzjoni jibda jidħol fis-seħħ minn April il qudiem. Dan fid-dawl ta' sfida loġistika mhux żgħira li tibda bil-produzzjoni u tkompli bid-distribuzzjoni ta' 2 dożi għal biljuni ta' persuni madwar id-dinja.